Prime factorization, in my own words, is the breaking down of a number to its prime numbers that multiply all together to equal the original number. For example, let's take the number 720. What two numbers multiply together to equal 720? 10 and 72. Keep breaking it down to 2 and 5. Break this down to 8 and 9. Break the 8 down to 2 and 4. Break the 4 down to 2 and 2. Break the 9 down to 3 and 3. Now, to write prime factorization answer, you would say 2 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. But you want to group them all together and make your answer shorter, so you would say 2 to the 4th times 3 to the 2nd times 5. And if you multiplied all these numbers together, it would equal 720. So let's do another number, 540. 10 and 54, 2 and 5, 6 and 9, 3 and 2, 3 and 3. We would write this 2 to the 2nd times 3 to the 3rd times 5, and if you multiply all those numbers together, equals 540. So what if we wanted to find the greatest common factor and least common multiple of both of these numbers? Well, the greatest common factor is a factor that both 720 and 540 have in common. So it would be, let's see, greatest common factor. You would look at what each number has in common. So out of the 2's, it'd be 2 to the 2nd, and 3 would be 3 to the 2nd, and then 5. If you multiply all those numbers together, you get 180. Well, what about the least common multiple? The least common multiple is the lowest multiple that both numbers have in common. So, we would take the greatest integer that they have. So it'd be 2 to the 4th times 3 to the 3rd times 5, and that equals 2,160. Okay, so what if we wanted to check this? This, we would use the slide method. The slide method is, draw it out. We're going to put 720 right here and 540. Basically, this column right here is what you're dividing these numbers by. So the first one we're going to do is 10. 720 divided by 10 is 72. 54. Next we're going to do 9. Then you're going to get 8. Then you're going to get 6. Then we're going to divide them by 2. Then you're going to get 4. And then you're going to do 3. And you know to stop there because there's not a number that can be evenly divided with those numbers. So this column would be the greatest common factors. So you would multiply 10 times 9 times 2, and that's 180. And then you're going to take all these numbers to find the least common multiple. So you do 180 times 4 times 3, and that equals 2,160. Thanks.